You know, these flowers, they are not just flowers, they're something really special, something sacred. Every year around Charauba, the Meitei New Year, there is this quiet moment when these three flowers start to bloom. And when they do, we know the new year is ringing in. Their names are Komberrie, Kusumlei, and leire, simple, beautiful, but full of meaning. They tell us it's time. A new beginning is here. Let's step into it with love, grace, and the blessings of our ancestor. And among the three, it's Komberrie that always stands out. This flower is more than just pretty. It holds stories, real deep emotional stories. Stories of love, of life, and yes, even of death. It's mentioned in our folk tales, especially in those timeless love stories like Mainu Pemcha and Borajau. It's a kind of flower that carries memory and that carries feeling. During Cherauba, you will see these flowers everywhere, not just as decoration, but as offerings, as blessing. They are a part of our prayers, our hopes, our welcoming of the new year. They represent prosperity, purity, and life itself. So when you see Komberrie, Kusumlei, and leire, don't just look at them as flowers. See them as messengers, carriers of our past, our traditions, and our dreams.